This is a quick video demo of the Task Manager template, which is now available to download from our website, which is www.excelace.co.uk, and it's on the premium products page. So go and have a look at that. This demonstration is to show you how it works. It's a template that I built literally for myself, just to manage lots of different tasks, and when things move and change, as they always do, it just helped me to sort of pre-plan. It also helps me that I can just focus on the task at hand, because I'm not worrying about, oh, I must remember to do this, I must remember to do that, because everything is planned, it's in my planner, and I know it's all planned in, so I don't have to stress worrying about things. So I will just share the screen so you can see the template. Here we go. In this file, there are 4 separate sheets. One is instructions, so I'd recommend just printing that out just for ease of use, ease of reference. There's a setup page. So this is yellow for like get it ready. In here, you can list all the different types of tasks that you might want to include. So these are typical ones that I use for myself. It may well be that you wanted to use this for personal use as well as work. So you could put sort of, personal things in there as well if you wanted. You can edit any of the green cells. You've got a button at the top to sort, and it's super simple. You've got lots of space there for different types you can put in. The green sheet indicates this is the one that we enter the data to. This is the data sheet. I've put some in already, some tasks, but basically what you can see here is there's a row for each individual task. So this green column contains a pick list, and that's where you can choose which type it is from the setup page we've just edited. Okay, so you can choose what that is. What you can see here, I've got types. I've got in this row, I've got that it's a client, some client work. I've got the name of the client in there, B Company. And this one is the description. So that's just a brief explanation of what the task is. This column here, I enter the number of hours required to complete that task. So in there, I've put 4 hours, and there I've put the planned date. So that's the 4th of January plan to work on. Obviously, this is retrospective. At this point, I wouldn't fill in these columns because this is for when the job is completed. I'll come back to those. These yellow columns work out for me. They're automatic. They've got formulas in, so you can't edit them. And you also can't see the formulas because you don't really need to. But it calculates based on this planned date what the day of the week is, what week it falls into, which is based on calendar, and what year it is. Again, calendar based. So from there, from me entering all of these tasks, I can now go to the red sheet, which is task management, and it automatically shows me all of my tasks by day for each day of the week and total for the week. And you can see here on these slices, I've selected week 2. So this is showing me all of the activities for week 2. So I can see that actually I've got 6.5 hours to work on Wednesday, 6 on Thursday, and 8 for Friday, which shows me I've got a little bit of capacity, which is great. It's great to see. If I change to week 3, you'll see all of this edits itself. It updates itself automatically, and it shows me I've got 7.5 hours booked in for Monday, 6.5 for Tuesday. So this is perfect. This is just exactly how it should be. The beauty of having this is, if I just go back to week 2, so you can see there that on the Friday, I've got 8 hours booked in. Also, if I wanted to put some more work in, so if I go for admin, let's do admin, let's do a VAT return, shall we? You can put anything you want in here. So I'll put VAT there again, oops. If I decide that's going to take me 3 hours, I could put in, what was that date on the Friday? Friday the 6th. So I could put 6/1/23. So now when I go back to the task management, because you can see that's calculated, it's going to be week 2, go back to task management, and you can see now it's includes the 3 hours of the VAT return. So actually I've got 11 hours to work on the Friday. So at this point, I might have to think, oh, well, I haven't got 11 hours in a work day. So I might rejig. So I might move that, the VAT return into the following week. So if I was to make it the 11th of January, which is the Wednesday of week 3, when I go into the task management, you can see week 2 has gone back to 8 hours for the Friday, but in week 3, there you can see it's in the Wednesday there for the VAT return. So this is super simple to update. You literally in here just change your dates. You can also, when something has been completed, I could say in here that it was completed on the 4th of Jan. It took me 2 hours, and is it complete? There's a pick list there, yes or no, so you can choose yes. As soon as it's got yes in this column, what you'll notice is, so that's on the Wednesday. As soon as it's got yes in that column, in the task management, that task gets removed from the task management sheet. So this is all of your outstanding, oh, actually, sorry, week 2, it was in there because that was six hours or something, wasn't it? 6.5. So it automatically gets removed from the task management. So this is only your outstanding tasks. So I use this all day, every day. I have this file open all day. And as I complete something, I just mark it as completed, and then it goes off the task so I can see that I'm on track for the day. If ever I don't get anything finished, I can literally just go in and say, actually, that's going to move it into the 5th, and just change the date on there. Oops. Just change that date to the 5th. And then automatically, again, you'll see that that's bumped into the Thursday, 6.5 in there now. I think that was right, wasn't it? Okay, so it's just a super simple way of keeping track of all your tasks. You can focus on what you're doing because you're not worried about, oh, I must remember to do this. So I hope you find that useful. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.